Okay, my name is Thomas, and today I'm going to show you OfferIn. OfferIn is very straightforward and simple to use, so let's get started. So right here, you're on the Explore page. The Explore page is where you go to find interesting things and discover new properties. You'll see on each property, there's the owner, the dollar amount that the property is being sold for, the location of the property, how many views it has, and when it was last updated. With any property that you like, you can hit this heart button to like the property. And you can also easily see the property on a map by clicking on the map icon. You can also zoom in and out. And any property that you like will show up in your library. And you can also share any property. So whether that's on social media, by email, or just copying a link. Now, another really cool feature about OfferIn is the search functionality, which allows you to search for more than just location. So if you go into the search bar and search for something like living room, it will generate all the properties with images of their living rooms. And then if you click on one, you'll be taken to the property page. Now on the property page, you're going to see a lot of different information. So we can click on the images here and view a slideshow of the images and pan through them. You can zoom in, zoom out. You'll also see on the right-hand side here all the property info. You can also ask questions. This can be answered by the owner. And then if you look down below here, you're going to see there's open houses listed as well. This particular house has a couple open houses in the next couple days. There's also the ability to see the owners and direct message them as well. So you can have more private communication with the owners themselves. And then down below, you can see more details about the images. And the search functionality works for other terms as well. So if you go into the search bar and type in something like kitchen, you'll see properties with kitchens rendered, and then you can just click on one that you like. So if I click on this, I can go in, look at the images, and then ask the owner a question. And the owner will be notified to respond to your question. Now, the last thing I'll show you is how to make an offer on OfferIn. So first thing you do is navigate to the property page. Once you're on the property page, you'll find the Make Offer button. And once you click on the Make Offer button, you begin to set the terms for the offer that you're making to buy the property. First things first is inputting the price. After that, we're going to put the method of payment. So I will just choose mortgage. And when you're using a mortgage to purchase a property, you add your loan rep's info in here. That way they can help you out with actually buying the property. Next, we'll set the owner response deadline. This is how long the owner has to respond to the offer. We'll set the closing date. We'll just put it at 30 days. Owner concessions, we'll leave that at $0, and then additional terms, we'll just put none. Next, I'll add my wife as the co-buyer. Anytime you add a co-buyer, whether it's your spouse, investment partner, whoever, they're going to be automatically notified of any updates for the offer. So things like the offer being accepted or signatures needed on documents, they're going to be notified for you. Next thing, I'll just confirm my legal info. And then the last step is just to review all of the terms that you set for the offer. So you can see the price, payment method, owner response, and all the other things that we added for the offer. And then you just submit. Now, once you submit an offer, you're going to be redirected to what's called Chatflow. Chatflow is OfferIn's advanced messaging system for helping you buy properties. So starting on the left-hand side, you're going to see all the details for the offer that you made on the property. So you see here the address, price, closing date, and the status of the offer. And then You can also see there are 3 different pages. One is messaging, which is what we're on right now. So any member that's in the chat flow can message each other. So if I just type in hello Margot, Margot will be able to respond and we'll have a group chat going right here. And then as a matter of fact, I will go ahead and add another member to the chat flow. I'm going to add my realtor. And then you can see the realtor was added to the chat flow. And the other 2 pages within chat flow besides messages is tasks, which right now there are no tasks. And then documents. Now with documents, this is where all of your final documents will live. So that way you can download them and save them to your records. And then tasks will actually show specific tasks, not only for you to complete, but also for other people to complete. Now you can see that the offer was conditionally accepted. And what that means is the owner accepted the offer, and now it's just a matter of people signing the agreement. And you can see in the task page, there is a task for me to e-sign the purchase agreement. And then there's also the same task for my co-buyer as well as the owner. So once these are completed, the status of the offer will change to accepted, and then you'll be well on your way to closing on the new property. All right, thank you for watching. OfferIn right now is live, so if you want to check it out and give it a shot, you can go to offerin.co. That's www.offerin.co. And if you have any questions or want to reach out to us, you can email us at info@offerin.co. Thanks.
We're no strangers.